Assalamu alaikum, Nida here from Amchi Mumbai. Here I am traveling from Mumbai till Valencia for joining vessel with my husband. So the journey is going to be nearly of 19 hours. It's a very long journey. ये क्लिप जो है वो एयरपोर्ट के अंदर का है. कोई मोर्चा चल रहा था ऑफ स्पाइस जेट. The employees were not happy by the company itself, so they were doing some morja, and this was inside the airport when the immigration and everything was done. So we were waiting for boarding. वो उस एरिया का वीडियो है. ये जो है वो हमारा फ़्लाइट है एयर इंडिया का, जिससे हम ट्रैवल करने वाले थे टिल जर्मनी, एंड देन फ्रॉम जर्मनी टिल योर वेलेंशिया. इट वाज सपोज टू बी लुफ्तांजा एंड एयर इंडिया का टाई अप है. द जर्नी वाज good but tiresome. So I'm going to share the entire procedure if you are joining as a seafarer's family on board, what precautions, what documents are important. As such, let me be very clear to you all. जितना भी procedure है वो crystal clear जो है वो आपकी कंपनी इन्फॉर्म करती है, but still there are few things जो हमारे माइंड से निकल जाता है एज अ फर्स्ट टाइम हम जब ज्वाइन करते हैं तब, सो दैट कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. इसीलिए मैं अपना जर्नी जो है आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. देयर वर मैनी डाउट्स ऑफ मैनी पीपल दैट व्हाट आर द डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड, व्हाट आर द प्रिकॉशंस वी आर सपोज टू टेक, व्हाट आर द प्रोसीजर्स टू ज्वाइन एज अ सुपरन्यूमरी, एंड आर ऑल द रूट्स कन्वीनियंट इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग with your hubby as a supernumerary. So I would like to share each and everything in detail. In description, each and every point I have written. I have not missed out a single point, but still if there is some doubt, you all can write in the comment box and I will get back to you in detail. So for joining, it depends to company which company your husband is joining, and tankers है, containers है, bulk है, या फिर कौन सा कैटेगरी है शिप का. I can tell you in detail about container vessels. So container vessels में काफ़ी ports होते हैं. Sometimes the ports are like after a month, sometimes they are within 15 days, 10 days, 12 days. It depends कि आपकी जो vessel है उसका size क्या है और उसका run क्या है. Rest, USA visa is very important. It is valid for 10 years. The category for you guys is going to be B1, B2. यू गाइज मीन्स सुपरन्यूमरी एंड उनकी फैमिली के लिए B1, B2 रहती है. जो कैटेगरी है ट्रैवलर्स के लिए एंड बिजनेस करने के लिए, ये कैटेगरी के अंदर आप एलिजिबल होते हो. कंपनी आपको लेटर प्रोवाइड करती है, सारा का सारा डिटेल प्रोवाइड करती है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेटर ऑफ योर हस्बैंड प्रोवाइड करती है एट द टाइम ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग. सेकेंड, जो वीज़ा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अगर आपका जो शिप है जो आपके हस्बैंड को दिया गया है वो यूरोप रन में है तो आपके लिए शेंगेन वीज़ा इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट इज़ ओनली वैलिड फॉर 6 months. आपको वो वीज़ा के लिए अप्लाई करते वक्त आपको सेलर की कैटेगरी में, सी फेरर की कैटेगरी में ही अप्लाई करना है. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ टूरिस्ट, the chances of your visa getting rejected is going to be really very high. At the same time, you are going to face lot of issues. I have written that in description in clear. The third visa which is very very important when you are traveling and when you are joining as a supernumerary is if your vessel is going in Australia run. So आपके लिए वो वीज़ा भी important है. Again, for that you don't need to go anywhere. That procedure is done by company, and that is valid for 3 years. Again, there are many places where seafarers family is not allowed to join at the same time, not allowed for show leave. If you have a small kid which is an infant, do carry a car carrier. So car carrier जो सीट होती है वो आप कैरी करो, बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं है तो फिर आपको शो लीव के लिए डिनाई किया जा सकता है विथ योर किड्स. सो इट्स बेटर दैट यू कैरी इट. Rest, the vaccination of the child, the vaccination of yours is very very important. While joining, they do a medical test to just confirm that you or your family member is not sick. At the same time, to confirm that wife is not expecting a child. If you are expecting a child, then it's not allowed to travel. If you are pregnant, you are not allowed to travel. At the same time, medically fit as such, your weight or anything is not going to be considered because you are not joining as a seafarer, so that is not going to impact. At the same time, it is very important that kids do have their yellow fever, you do have your yellow fever, you do have your COVID vaccination or some other vaccination which is required for child, that should be completely given to child on time. And if it's due, then even that you need to mention, so that there is no unnecessary issues which are created. 1 to 16 is the age group of kids which are allowed. At the same time, per couple 2 kids are allowed on ship, and maximum 3 kids are allowed on per vessel. Again, that depends completely on the capacity of lifeboat, so you need to even check with that the vessel which is provided to your husband. Hope you guys join your husband's vessel very soon, your sailor's vessel very soon, and enjoy the trip. Stay safe. If you have any questions, please be free to ask me in comment box. I'll get back to you. Whatever it may be, any questions regarding the same topic of joining or some other topic, or curiosity to know more about ship, let me know in comment box. I will try to get back to you. Stay safe, enjoy, take care, bye bye. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please support me to make more such videos, informative videos. Thank you. Musafir Nida signing out.